check it out, you guys. You know about the battle that's coming up, right? So basically, I gotta get ready for it. So let me get to the airport real quick, okay? Let's go. We're here, okay? We're here. Wait a minute, hold on, wait a minute. I forgot to get him out of there. I forgot to get my money. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, I'm at the wrong place. Wait a minute. I forgot to clean my client up and get him out of the chair. Wait a minute. I'll be back. I'll be back at the airport in a minute. Right. Okay, hold on. Wait a minute. Give me a minute. Gotta clean his neck. You know how you gotta get his neck clean and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Don't forget the neck, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget the neck. All right, you guys. Let's go. All right, listen, you guys. I'm on my way to Tampa, but I have to say, man, I'm nervous, okay? All right, when I start cutting hair, for some reason in battles, I start to shake. You know what I'm saying? I start getting the shaky jitters. You know what I'm saying? And see, the thing about it is uncontrollable, okay? I can't stop it, okay? It's just something that just happens, okay? But it's gonna feel nice seeing Chris again. It's gonna feel nice seeing the whole 245 squad, you know what I mean? I haven't seen them in years, okay? So to go back down there and chill with everybody again, that is gonna be what I'm looking forward to. The battle was cool, you know what I'm saying? It's 360 Jeezy versus Chris Bossio. We all wanna see that, okay? Even I wanna see what's gonna happen, okay? But at the end of the day, win, lose, or draw, okay? I'm prepared. Excuse me, ma'am, this is a battle coming up. What do you have? 360 Jeezy or Chris Bossio? Which one?
360 Jeezy. The GOAT.
The GOAT?
The GOAT.
HustleDreamProduction.
YouTube, listen up right now, man. We got Capiche the Barber in the building, man.
You did.
First of all, I just want to say this. Shout out to Capiche for being one of my mentors, you would say, in the wave barbering world, man. He was the first waver slash barber that I've seen that inspired me to go to school and just become a barber. So this is my model right here. I don't want to do a wave check right now. We're going to get into that later. But yeah, talk to him,
Yeah, man, me and Jeezy go way back, you know, back in the wave game, back in 2012, 2013.
Yes, sir.
You know, we was, you know, just starting off in the wave game and, you know, networking. And when I became a barber, I was probably one of the first few barbers that came out, and Jeezy came out, and, you know, a lot of the wavers, self-cut barbers eventually became barbers. And was it Breeze Cuts? You know, there's a couple of them, you know, I'm missing a few, but...
Listen, first of all, the biggest thing, all right, that y'all may not know about is that the pompadour that I had, it came from Capiche the Barber, man. That's the first one I seen with the pompadour. Y'all see me in school, I was on my Capiche, you know what I'm saying? But we gonna get to the battle, yeah.
It's gonna be dope, man.
It's gonna be dope.
We're gonna be spinning here in a minute. All the big name barbers here, man. It's gonna be dope, man. Barber versus, man. Stay tuned. You did.
So Jeezy, how did you feel before the battle? Well, to be honest with you, I felt good. You know what I'm saying? I felt confident. You know what I mean? It wasn't nothing gonna stop me. You know what I'm saying? I felt real good. That's a lie, okay? I felt real scared, okay? I was nervous. Your boy was shaking all over the place. You know what I'm saying? It was at that point where the battle was about to start, and I told my wife, hey, listen, you gotta give me a couple of shots, you know what I'm saying? Calm my jitters down. So I took 2 shots of Crown. And yeah, that really helped me out, man, because it kind of took the jitters away. Because when I battle, for some reason, you know what I'm saying, my hands start to shake, especially during the lineup part. You know what I'm saying? My hands just is uncontrollable. So I took those 2 shots. It really got me in my groove. You know what I'm saying? All right, so let's talk about before the battle started, okay? Papito introduced both of us. But here's how I came out.
Yeah. 360 Jesus!
HustleDreamProduction.
I'm in 360. YouTube. Oh! YouTube. There you go. Papito Blessings, 360 GC in the building.
So that was the cut. I felt like I tried my best, you know what I'm saying? And taking consideration that I've never cut this client before, I just gave it my all. Let's just really cut through the cheese, okay? So the battle was over, and I have found out that I took the L.
Here's how I responded.
GC, come over here. My man GC, come. Oh, he got it. GC, so this is what we do. We let the people decide who the winner is in their eyes. If we pick judges to battle, there's always controversy because people may be biased, etc. If we let the people judge, you know, it has worked better. You know, so at the end of the day, even though you guys both and every other competitor, you guys display great showcases. You know, people vote who the favorite was tonight. They voted for Chris Basio, although you both put great haircuts. How do you feel tonight?
I feel good. I feel good. You know, coming from Cali, picking my client. I really wanted to do this for the wave game. It was something that I built when I first jumped on YouTube, and that's something that I'm gonna stick to till, you know what I mean, till it's over with, till I'm looking like my man right here. You know what I'm saying? So, that's just something that I wanted to do. But still, I was confident in the cut, and I tried my best. Still under the pressure of everybody being here. Lord.
That's true. That's true. So let's put it out there real quick. Brian, you correct me if I'm wrong. No one has really done a wave haircut. This is the first time, and it couldn't be nobody better than Mr. Wave himself. You know, 360 Jeezy. So you displayed and you show people that you're not just both of you're not just YouTube barbers. Like I guess they say, like if it's something bad, you know. It's not bad when you have 4 million followers, almost 4 million subscribers on YouTube, and the fact that you put content on a daily basis while you're taking care of your clients on a daily basis is talent.
People always gonna hate what they can't figure out. They can't figure out YouTube, so they can hate on it.
Exactly.
You're able to shine light on some real barbers.
Do you feel? What do you say to that? What do you say to the notion of, oh, he's a YouTube barber? Like, what do you say to that?
I really don't say nothing to anybody that's down in YouTube barbers. It's just like you gotta try and you know, see what it takes to do what we do. You know what I'm saying? You gotta put forth effort to try it and then make your opinion. So that's just what I gotta say.
Is there anything that you feel that, you know, maybe I should have done this, change that, or whatever, about everything tonight?
Nah, because the client I never cut before. I would have gave him the same cut if I tried it. You know what I'm saying? Another time. To me, I did my best. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is for the L part. But at the end of the day, it's 360 Jeezy.
And he can sing too. And he can sing. Look, the one thing that we all saw tonight is that no matter what they say about, okay, he's a social media barber, YouTube barber, or whatever,
or actor,
and singer dancer. The good thing about that is that pretty much the whole industry tonight, you know, 2,700 plus people saw tonight, is that both of you guys, but talking to you now, that you can cut. You know what I'm saying? We saw the blend, we saw the sharpness, we saw the wave game, the way you handle the do-rag and everything. Like, that takes skills. I'll tell you straight up, I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to deal with waves, you know what I'm saying? I'll probably mess them up. You know, but the fact that everybody was able to watch you live, you know, I feel like everybody's gonna see, you know, you already had the respect of the industry. You know, we appreciate you and we look up to you. You know what I'm saying? You're a leader. I feel like displaying this live showed any doubters that, yo, you know what, if I had 90% respect, now I got 100% respect for 360 Jeezy. You know what I'm saying?
Can I take the mic real quick?
Of course.
I just want to say this. I know the mic isn't really working right now.
It is.
Excuse me. I want to appreciate Basio because from the beginning, man, I saw what he was doing on YouTube. I hit him up and I was like, man, we gotta stick together. You know what I'm saying? So this right here is just an example of, you know, us barbers just sticking together. Like with the shear work, man, y'all might think, oh man, Jeezy, but at the end of the day, I watch Chris Bossio for the sheer work and my techniques and stuff like that. So again, I want to give him his flowers at the end of the day. So, but don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted for 1 second. Don't forget it. Don't get it twisted 1 second. I know how to cut and I do sheer work great. I took an L. You know what I mean? I gave it my all. You know what I mean? Can you really compare coarse hair to straight hair? Personally, I don't think so, but that was the model I chose for. So for everybody out there that was saying, oh, it's unfair, this is unfair. Listen, I wanted to represent the wave game, regardless if he was doing coarse hair, regardless if he was doing straight hair. It is what it is, all right? I didn't come to really, yes, I came to win, don't get me wrong. I know everybody go, oh, okay, I came to win, but at the end of the day, I really didn't care who won. You know what I'm saying? It was all about representing, one, representing for the wave game, two, giving people what they wanted. You know what I'm saying? And at the end of the day, I feel like my cut was clean. You know what I'm saying? And it wasn't like I butchered the man, you know what I'm saying? So I felt good about it.